Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to fix the error hexadecimal 807016A, where the cloud file provider is not running on OneDrive and Windows 11. And now let's get started. First, we need to check the OneDrive server status. You can do this by searching for OneDrive server status directly in your Windows search bar and pressing Enter. This will usually provide immediate information on whether OneDrive is operational. Alternatively, you can visit websites like Down Detector to see if there is an ongoing service outage affecting OneDrive. If the server status is fine and you are still encountering the issue, we will proceed to reset OneDrive. Open Run by searching for it in the Start menu, or press Windows key plus R. Then copy the command I left in the comment section and press Enter. After that, open OneDrive again and the problem should be resolved. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.